see what's inside this box. The quick instructions. So we have our camera. Has the lights here, where you put your SD card, a reset, a power button. Right here, I think is where you speak, your speaker. Your connection is down here. We have another sticker that's gonna help us how to mount it. We have a solar panel, USB charger. Let's go ahead and set it up. This little blue one right here is the one for the App Store. Insert it, it's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
All right, our camera is installed. Okay, it has where I can motion. Okay, I can move the camera around so I could see. Pictures. We could take video recording. Let's go ahead. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, let's see all the features that it has. It has alert. It tells you when was it moved, when it was done, when it was recording. Has replay, so you can replay your stuff, so you can move it. Okay, and it makes you choose, do you want a 2K, SD, you have your position, your light, talk mode, camera on, enabled, camera off. You see how it's set off, and then we have it, we put it on. Oh, that's how bright the light is on the camera. It's super bright. You see it, we had to do it sideways so you guys could see it good. And look how it lights up. It lights up my backyard really well. Yeah, we got that other one turned on, but it's there.